I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to use the magnetic lasso tool. It's the third tool down. If any of the other ones are showing, again, click and hold and go down to the magnetic. When you would use that is when you have a picture that has pretty high contrast between the color that you're going on and what you want to select around. So with the magnetic, you click where you want to start and start working your way around. And what it does is hold to the edge of the color that you're going around. Just go nice and slow, and as you draw it will stay pretty close. You can see there it went out a little bit too much, and if you really make a mistake and go out too far, you can go back one spot at a time, again by going back close to where it should be and hitting your backspace key as you go. So now I'm back to the box where it's good. I'm going to keep going around the edge here. I click every once in a while, especially when I get to where I think it's going to get confused, like at a corner. And I keep pulling along. Just keep selecting around. If there's a mistake, just back up a little bit. Okay. Keep drawing the line along. Click at the corner. Now going up the side here, it's going to have troubles holding to the side. I am not going to even worry about that. I'm just going to add that on. So again, you'll see the little circle. So if you can see that, it's when it's appearing and disappearing when I get off of the edge there. Go around the edge. I want to add that corner in because it doesn't hold to edges very well. I'm going to do my rectangular. My shift will always add whatever selection I want to add to it. So now I can just keep my shift key held down and go around the rest of this to add it in. So shift adds if I want to take something away, like down here it didn't quite hold here. I can do my alt and that will actually subtract, and you see the little subtraction sign showing up. If I hit my shift, it's doing the little plus. Go back to my alt and I'm going to pull off that edge and make it nice and straight. So now that just straightened up the edge. Then again, I'm going to go up here and go edit copy, click on the picture I'm going to put it onto, edit, paste, hit my move tool, make sure it's show transform, hold my shift key down, pull down, and I can put that in if I wanted that to be the railing in here instead. Now if I actually did want to manipulate this a little bit so that it gets wider, I'm not going to hold my shift. On certain things that are more abstract like this, you can do that and stretch. Don't ever do that to a person to stretch them. But on things that could be stretched without any problems to it, you can do that. And then hit your check to apply.